Traders who come from a small business or a medium-sized business background tend to do extremely well in the markets because trading is quintessentially a small business.
The thing is, it doesn't actually take that much time once you become proficient at trading. Like, it might take 5 years to become proficient, but it can be done in less than an hour per week. I find the best currency is time, because when you've got time, you can focus on your hobbies or things that mean more to you. I find the best thing about the mentor program is the networking, meeting new people, meeting other traders. I've actually made friends all around Australia just from the mentor program. My system in 2016 is completely different to my system now in 2024. It's essentially the same, but the money management will change. The markets that you trade will change. Trading can change your life. It's changed my life for the better. While doing the mentor program, it's a big investment, but you've got to think of it as an investment. So if you can learn how to trade, you can pay that back immediately. Oh, not immediately, but over time, which I've done myself. So it's a no-brainer to me. Yeah.